Good morning, traders. So we're still using the Bull-Williams theory and looking at the DAX. Starting off on the weekly chart. So this previous swing low here, these two tails here, which are basically this consolidation area, is the line in the sand as far as I'm concerned still. So that is still on my charts, and it's something that you need to pay attention to. The reason for that is we still have a potential measured move to play out here. Okay, so in other words, you have a move down, consolidation, a break, and we haven't quite tested this break yet. So, that was close, this tail was close, but it's not quite there. Okay, and you can see that we also just fell short of it. So my take on this at the moment is, even though it is pretty close, from a price action perspective, I would expect a retest, and I would expect another attempt at this low. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm looking for at the moment. If I look at what's going on at the moment, we're more than likely going to get a retest of this this previous swing low. But bear one thing in mind now on the daily. We have broken through the alligator. We could have tested the break. We have turned to the upside. Okay, so the awesome oscillator is still below the zero. So we're kind of in no man's territory at the moment. So we could have a trend change, or it could just be a test of the top of the alligator like it was over here. Okay, again, inside bar. So you can see we had an engulfing green, which was an up move, inside bar, which is a down move. We then had a gap down, and now we had a green bar. So still quite a bit of confusion. I'm expecting us still to tag this level up here. Okay, now the other thing about this level here is it does give us a new daily high. And in fact, it's just, we don't have a new daily high yet, but sort of tagging this line here will give us a new daily high. Okay, no diversions, anything to worry about. So the other thing by giving us a new high is shoulder, head, shoulder. Okay, so it's kind of, I'm still 50-50 on the DAXs, whether we're going to, I know we're going to tag this level here, but what happens after tagging this level is a question. Because this could be an inverse head and shoulder setting up. We have got a potential trend break. And if we look at the 4 hour, you'll see we pretty much had a trend break. We've come back to test the alligator. The alligator is flat, it is sleeping at the moment, and we've still got this 200 moving average in front of us. Okay, so for me, I think you're more than likely going to be looking for longs. You have a 159, 160 point potential trade set up here, and I just want to see what's going on the current futures market. So the DAX is up at 10,927, and this level here is 11,026. So basically, price is 100 points away. 10,947. So we're just under the 200 moving average at the moment. Okay, so which brings me to my next point. The level we want to watch on the 4 hour right now is pretty much this zone here. So a break to the upside of 10. Let me just. These figures are so small. 10,888, or alternatively 10,785. So those are the two areas that I'm watching for. Break up gives us the next level. A breakdown will give us a retest of probably that area there. You can see there's my swing low, my swing high. So that's my inside tail. So that would be the area. So target to downside would be 10,665. Okay. So the other thing is we've got a double bottom with diversions here. So this is continuation diversions. In other words, we're looking for another move to the upside. Okay, the double bottom breakout will be this top here. So that's another a factor that just goes towards the long camp. If we do break above this previous swing high here of 10,970, 10,972, then you have quite a big move because your double bottom is that level up there. Just fix that back up. I want to have a look at that. And that target would be up at 11,172. Okay, so let's get down to some levels that we can trade here. Okay, so potential double bottom brewing. It looked like a retest of the alligator, but as I said yesterday, we're all over the place with the alligator at the moment. Nothing really concrete in the direction. Okay, what did happen though, is you can see the oscillator group to the downside. So this was a long entry, not on the first hour of trading, but just to have a look, see what was going to happen sort of around the swing low here. Okay, you can see the other one is down here. Okay, but you can see as soon as we got this rejection off here, we've got a second rejection here. That is a tweezer bottom and two long tails. It is also a wise man number one, this red bar, and this one here is a wise man number one as well. Okay, so now what we're looking for is a fractional break above the alligator, because we've had 3 bars, which was over here. So now we should have an entry on the break of this fractional level. So I'm just going to move that to there. That's the fractional we're looking for. Let's get down to the half hour just to try and see if we can get a decent entry. Yeah, so there's another fractional there which we can utilize, and we can utilize that fractional over there. Okay, so that makes it a little bit better, and that is only a 20-point range here. So bottom line is, what I'm looking for is a move to the upside. Obviously going to close this gap. I was going to close the opening gap from yesterday. I'd like to see us come and retest this fractional level here of 10,879, and then I am looking for a long, and my long target is pretty much 11,026. Okay, and as I said earlier, this 11,026 is the area which I'm not sure what's going to happen. What I do know is that there will be profit taking there. So if we look at the 4 hour, there will definitely be profit taking up here. And at the same time, we could fall short on the 200 moving average, which kind of going to line up by the looks of things with this inside tail. Okay, so those are my 2 target areas for the upside. It's 10,958 and 11,026 or 11,025. Okay, so that's kind of my view on the world today, and just going to pop down to 12 minutes just to see a nice strong move above the alligator, bouncing off the alligator. So break below this level, 10,860. So I want to see a break and then a pull back, a retest, and then that would be my shorts. Okay, so for now, I think I'll stick with the longs. We've possibly just got a trend change on the half hour, so we may get a day or 2 of upside up into this 11,026 area. Okay, so the first target is 11,958. Then you have 11,226. Okay, oscillator is a little bit grouped to the upside, but we've also, if I just delete all the noise here, just put a level across there. You can see if I look to the left, it lines up with quite a bit, and then do this. You'll see we've got a flat top triangle above the alligator. So my bias is still to the upside. It's when we get to 11,027 that I think I would look for shorts. Okay, anyway guys, that's my view on the Dax today, and looks like something I may trade today. If you did get in long, There's also wise man number 1 here. This was also wise man number 1. We didn't break above that pin bar, so that didn't really work out. But then we got this wise man here where we did break above. So in other words, your entry was just above there and your stop loss was below there, which gives you a 32-point stop loss. Okay, with your wise man number 2, 1, 2, 3, so there would have been 3 of these green bars. So wise man number 2, let's use this one, would have been a break above this bar, and then your stops move up to underneath this bar here. Okay, and that wouldn't have been a wise man number 3. Wise man number 3 is a break of the fractal above the alligator. So this is the break. Well, actually, no, not that one now. Now we're looking at one of these, this one here. So this is your wise man number 3. So each wise man, you should have been adding position. Very small position here, a little bit bigger, and then up to full size position up here. And then you want to see that trade to the upside. Okay, anyway guys, that's my view today. Looking for longs, and obviously not going to chase it at the gap up. Just wait for a pullback. Hopefully a test to come and test one of these tails here. It also may just gap up and just maintain the opening gap, which means it'll find support further up, but then there's still quite a way to go to the target. Okay, anyway guys, just pay attention to that, and I will catch up with you later. Hope it helps, and enjoy your day. Cheers for now.